So what's up guys, welcome back to my channel Miss Mentor, and here we will be looking an introduction to first program in Java. So let's get started with our first program in Java, which is class demo. Public static void main string args system.out.println hello world. In this tutorial we will be discussing each and every term related to that code, so stay with me and let's see what each term indicates their meaning. So here we are with our first term, which is class. Class is nothing but simply a keyword used to define a class. By just writing a class we are able to define a class in Java. We will deeply understand what class is and what are its concept in our later tutorials. So we are with our next term, which is public. Public is also a keyword and an access modifier. Access modifier, as the name gives its meaning itself, that in which mode we have to access something is access modifier. Guys, like if anything is declared as public, then it can be accessed outside a class. So basically what is public keyword is, so public keyword is used to control the access of various class members. By using public keyword, it is visible outside the class and it can be accessed by everyone. And then demo is nothing, it's just a class name. But it is mandatory that while defining our class name, our name of the class should be in uppercase. It should be remembered that first letter of our class name should be in uppercase. And next is static. Static is a keyword which allows execution without creating an object. Even if we did not create an object, static keywords allows us for execution. Okay, so our next term is void. As the name suggests, void means empty, there is nothing. Here it is used in a sense of returning type, that is whose return type is nothing. Here we will use void, means as in example, main method does not return any value, so main method declared as void. Why main method does not return any value, we will see in our ahead tutorials. So here our next is main method, a method without which execution of our program is not possible. Without declaring a main method, our program will not be able to execute. So main method is something which is an important for our execution. So our next term is string, which is basically a predefined class in Java. Args is nothing but a variable of string class. We will also see string class in depth in our later tutorials, so stay with us. And now our next line of code is system.out.println within braces and double quotes any message which we want to print. So here system is nothing but a predefined class in java.lang package. Guys, point to be remembered that system, since it is a class, so its first letter is in uppercase. Here system, its first letter is S and it is in uppercase. Our next term is out. Out is nothing but an object of printstream class. And the last term is println, a method which is already defined in printstream class. Guys, since there is written println, here ln means it automatically executes next line, that is our cursor will be automatically goes into the next line. If we does not want it into the next line, then remove ln, it's simply print. So like this video, then please subscribe the channel and thank you for watching.